Hello everyone. So today I will discuss geological cycle. In geological cycle, first weathering of rock is occurred. Due to weathering of rock, the rock particle gets transported and after some time it is deposited and then uphill is occurred and again rock cycle is formed. Due to this two types of soil we name residual soil and transported soil soils. In residual soil, soil that got deposited at a same place of its origin. In transported soil, soil is formed at one location and finally deposited at another location. Based upon transporting agent, based on transporting agents, first it is transported by wind or air and we call it as alluvial deposits. Example of soil which is formed by wind or air is sand, sand dunes, losses. Losses is silty deposits. Second by water. There are three types: lake water, and we call it as lastrine deposit. Example of lake water is where it clay. Second, river water, and we call it as alluvial soils. Examples of alluvial soils are loamy soil. Loamy soil, it is a mixture of sand plus clay plus silt. This three mix is called loamy soil. And third one is marine water. Due to marine water, the soil formed, we call it as marine soil. Example of marine soils are marine clay. Third one, the soil which is formed by glaciers. Example of this is drift and till. Glacier deposit due to ice. Glacier deposits are formed. Fourth one, the soil which is formed by gravity is called talus. Colluvial deposits or alluvial deposits. Talus are boulders accumulated at hill base by gravity. suppose it is hill, and due to weathering by gravity, soil is settled here, and we call it as taluls.